This is a new purchase I just purchased. It's purchased from Amazon. It's a, take a look here. It's a Cobra 19 Mini AM FM Ultra Compact Recreational CB radio. 4 watts of power, 40 channel with a 12 volt adapter. And they have on the bottom ultra compact design, dual mode AM FM, instant channel 19 and 9, adjustable receiver sensitivity, and a box hands free. Connect the power 19 mini in 3 easy steps. The brackets, and then there's the power on the 9 volt car, and then this is the power to direct wire it. This is the other side of it, saying it's dual mode, AM FM convenience, instant access to channels 9 and 19. Switch to emergency channel 9 for information and 19 with a one push. Adjustable receiver sensitivity with adjustable RF gain sensitivity or squelch background noise for the best signal. And of course the box hands-free usage. Features is audio squelch, audio power, timeout, OTO, keypad lock, external speaker jack, and a Roger beep. Take a look. Just a plain old white box. See how it opens up here. Well, here's the little packet it comes with. It's probably the instruction sheet. Let's see what's in that. If I can get it open. Quick start and installation guide. There's all the ABCDs and all that to tell you where which thing is and where it's at. Some more instructions about how to plug it in. More instructions about the bracket. And more instructions with the hard wiring. And the operation on the last page over here. And it has more on the back. Tells about the squelch and the keypad lock and emergency channels and AM FM scan, the Vox, reset factory default, menu options all over here, limited 1-year warranty. And this is a registration for your product. Let's see, get this apart. Important product information. Product information, and this is what you use to register with, I guess. Let's look at the radio or CB. This is the first time it's come out of the package. Take it out here. It is pretty small. As I say, you can cover it with your hands. Here's the front. This is where the microphone goes. The LCD display. the AM, FM, 9 and 19, the squelch in the menu, and the lock. The volume is this way, push on and off for this button. Antenna goes here, power goes to the cord. This cord runs to the car cigarette lighter plug. Yeah, it has an external speaker. Let's see, where's it at? Oh, you're right here above the plug. If you want to put an external speaker on it. This is the microphone. It's got the different type of looking plug-in. And this is the front of the mic. This is the push to talk on the side, and then they got the down and up on the channels on top. And of course, it's got the button on the back for the clip. It comes with the clip, an extra fuse, the bracket mounts and screws, the hard wire if you want to hardwire it in, and the bracket to hold the radio. Okay, well, this is just an unboxing. I'll probably make another video when I get it installed and see how it sounds.